Hey guys, it's Joy once again. Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please stick by clicking on the subscribe button and also hit the like button. Okay, I slept for only 2 hours and I'm back now. So right now I'm actually like taking pictures of the banana bread and I want to package them right now. So let me just show you. So guys, this is what the banana bread looks like. They look so good. And now I just want to start packaging them. And yeah, let me just drop my camera and yeah, we'll do that right now. Okay. I'm so hypnotized, yeah. You're here in the morning, but it's all in my head. I don't want this to end, to end. I won't let this be over. Want you to stay. If you let me closer, baby, give me everything. What are you thinking of? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. What are you thinking of? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing else.
Told my baby I ain't nothing like the last one, so she gon' hold it down till the back come. Break the bread down to the last crumb. She was solid way before I ever had none. Said I'm fine, that ain't alright, so hurry up until the morning. I come alive in the moonlight, and what I'm whipping it ain't for. So all I'm asking is your grass trying to bite me. Next year, ain't no telling what it might be. That's why I'm in the crib, keep him to myself. I have a tendency to give when I need some help. I really need to hear my brother tell him how it felt. Cause anything about to change till you let yourself. So all I'm asking is you hold me down. I don't want no drama when you come around. Cause I be on fire.
Hey guys, I am all done. So the time is currently 9:15 and I'm so happy Royal Mail is not here yet because they said they were going to come from I think 8:40 to like 10. I'm just waiting for Royal Mail right now. Oh my goodness guys, I'm just so excited. I'm really excited. Like, I did not sleep at all last night. I think I slept for just 2 hours. But I'm really excited. Don't worry, later today I would catch up on my sleep. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I hope you all are doing amazing. So I think last time I spoke to y'all was earlier this morning when I was doing, you know, prepping all the packages. And yeah, shortly after that Royal Mail came. To pick up the packages, although their estimated time was 8:40 to 10 a.m. and they came around 9:45, so that's good. That was my first time trying Royal Mail collection, I think that's called. Yeah, so I did this tracked 24 next day delivery, I think. So I hope it gets to the receivers tomorrow. So yeah, after that I fed Daniela. I also ate breakfast and we had a very good nap because I was running on just 2 hours of sleep. So yeah, everything is actually fine. I've been doing a bit of admin now. I sent an email to those packaging company, I think Kite Packaging. I sent an email to them telling them that 7 of the boxes were damaged and I requested a refund for that. And what again, I kind of have some boxes here from Amazon that I want to unbox. The items in there are also for my business, so I just wanted to unbox them and show you guys what's in there. I have 3 items I want to unbox here. Yeah, so the first one is this box here. Yeah, so Daniela, you don't want me to do something, but actually you've actually tried. You've been playing on your own since, so well done, mama. So guys, I have some disposable tin foils. So this ones are the large ones, like for the regular loaf. So honestly, anything to make my life easier. I don't think I want to use the actual metal tins that I have. If I use this one, I'll be stuck with, you know, washing a lot of dishes, in which I don't want. Like this morning now, I only had to wash the mini pans. The medium chocolate, double chocolate banana bread I used a similar tin foil like this, but I couldn't find the bigger size. So I was so happy I found this one on Amazon and I ordered it. It's a very good size. So when I get orders for regular loaf, I will use this one. So it came in a pack of 20, I guess. Yeah, it came in a pack of 20. So I have a total of 20 in this box, okay? So yeah, that's it about this one. I have another paper bag here. Let me just open it. This is an oven thermometer. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. If it's not showing properly because of the lights, I'll put a picture. This is an oven thermometer. You put this in your oven to confirm the oven temperature. Yeah, so sometimes the actual temperature reading on these ovens might not be the exact correct temperature. So it's best to get like an oven thermometer to confirm that that temperature reading is either correct or not. Okay, so guys, this is a bigger box. Guys, in here I have my bowl. I have this stainless steel bowl, like it's very, very big. I think this one is like 12 liters. Yeah. This one, the measurement is 40 by 14 centimeters. So yeah, so from year to year is 40 and from year to year is 14 centimeter. So this one is very, very big. You know, I'm doing this as a business now, so I'm going to be making more banana bread compared to the ones I make for myself and, you know, family and friends. So I decided to get a bigger bowl. The one I have, I can only multiply my recipe like by 3. I don't know, it looks small on camera, but guys, it's actually big. Like if you want to visualize it, it's actually 40 centimeter. Here is 40 by 14, so this place to this place is 14. So you can just do the measurement if you want to see what it looks like. And yeah, I think it looks okay. It looks decent. I can use this for a start. So yeah, that's it about everything I got. I'm still expecting a few things. I'm expecting my pickup package. So the postal packages I got, the ones that had like a damage, that one is just for postal. So I have another package for pickup orders. Yeah, that one is coming pretty soon. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for sticking by. Thanks for your well wishes. Thanks for your comments down in the comment section. Please love this video, like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. What? Why are you looking at me, mama? Bye, guys.